You can expect a lot from the 2011 Ford Explorer. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It includes leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, rear parking sensors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, adjustable pedals, and seat memory. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.